So okay, in this video we will be doing the day 9 from the Advent of Cyber 3 from TrackMe. So you need to download this pcap file. So I have already downloaded this one, and you can read all of this content. So I'm not going to waste your time. So we'll be directly doing the exercises, questions. So the first question is, this lab is mostly based upon seeing the question and answering according to that, because there will be so much of content in the normal pcap file, which directory is found on the web server. So let's go and first open this one. So to filter any web request, type http and hit enter. So the first one is get login, and here you can see post request. Right click on this, follow TCP stream, or you can also do HTTP stream, post, and you can see username and the password. Username maxkiddy and password is Christmas 2021. So that is the next question they have been asking. So here you can see one filter, you can get 2 or 3 answers. What is the user agent's name that has been sent in the HTTP2 post section? So in the request user agent, so TrackMe user agent, there is a flag for the THM. So copy that entire string and paste here. And the next one is DNS section. There is a text query. What is the flag in the message of that? DNS query. So let's go and filter the DNS request. And if you look at this right hand side, you can pretty much get this text records. So right click on this text record, follow this stream, and here you can see the flag at the end. And in the FTP section, what is the FTP login password? So filter FTP, and here you can see right click on the first packet and follow TCP stream, and you can see user pass, and then we are changing the directory to the slash files, then entering the passive mode and storing some content. So this file name is secret.txt. So username and the password, they have been asking that question. You can paste here the password, and the FTP command, use it to store the text file, that is to send the file, store command. So we'll be finding the content of secret.txt file. Type FTP, so we need to say ip.addr. so this will be a good filter. So you need to say IP address, whether it's in source or in the destination. We need to display that packet 10.10.10.6, sorry 6, because that is the destination, or you can also say 4 because that is the source. And if you hit enter, it's better to filter via the destination, because there will be so many requests going from the source. So let's say 6 and hit enter. Now we can see the immediate one. So the FTP server is 10.10.10.6, follow TCP stream. So IP dot and TCP So from here onwards we are changing to passive mode and then requesting to upload secret.txt. From here onwards I think we are sending the data. No. Transfer complete. So you can see here the protocol is FTP data. So right click on this, forward to zip stream. So this is the flag. So copy and paste for that last answer. So that's all about this day 9 of the Advent of Cyber 3 from TryHackMe.